Hello, Chef here. Just finishing up a beef stew. Oh, this is going to be good. Yeah, this has been cooking for several hours in this Dutch oven and low temperature. So I'm just getting ready to thicken it. One of the questions students ask me the most is, Chef, what's your favorite thickening agent? Well, for me, here's one of them. I think you know what this is. Okay? Cornstarch. I like it. Roux is good, but roux is much more fattening. So cornstarch works pretty well for something like this. However, I'm adding some cornstarch right now. Here's a little slurry. Okay. It's a new word for you possibly. Slurry. It's French. It's a mixture of equal parts cornstarch and water. Oh yeah. So the slurry goes in and we mix it in. You can get fancy and use a whisk. However, I'm using just a rubber spatula. Works as well. And we want to thicken this all up. Okay. And people often ask me, well, how much do you use? Well, the answer is use your head. Use your best judgment. Okay. Now it's starting to get thick. However, another tip I'd like to give you is you don't need to use just one thickener. You can use more than one. So in this case, I'm using a few tablespoons of semolina. Got some semolina right here. This is another thickener that works pretty well. You need to add this gradually and let it cook into the stock there, the juice. Yeah. Oh yeah, this beef stew's gonna be good. Smells wonderful. By the way, there's porcini mushrooms in here, beef, carrots, onions, celery, herbs, all kinds of good stuff. And I want you to explore this channel. And by exploring the channel, you're gonna find recipes for stews like this. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Thousands and thousands of videos. There's several stew videos. This one's going to be really good, and there's quite a few of them. It's getting thick, and oh yeah, I'll be back. Okay, just getting ready to plate up some of this stew, and I want to show you how nice it is. Oh yeah, look at that. I got the porcini mushrooms in there, some beef. You can see all them hearty carrots and onions. A nice portion like this, okay? And I'm going to garnish with some baby heirloom tomatoes. Just a couple of these on here, like this. As well as a little bit of fresh basil, chopped basil there. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Get cooking. Oh yeah. Support your sponsor. And if you want to try this awesome beef stew, oh, it smells so good. Just search the channel. You're going to find some stew recipes. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're gonna put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. I use a clean white towel, wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. So check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,